Hi guys, I'm ElShane from ElShane's World. I had the pleasure of working with Lisa from Youthful Nest. She, along with her other designers, helped create this amazing space. Why is this space so amazing? Well, if you look around, it's not hard to see that we worked with a 50 square foot space to make the nursery of my New York City dreams come true. So I'd love to take you along and show you how Lisa helped me create this beautiful space in such a short amount of time. It was just blissful and carefree. Come with me. As you can tell, we chose Galaxy Girl for our theme. My daughter's name is Vega, and it's a star in the sky, and we wanted to create a space that felt like her personal galaxy. Over here, we made a closet out of a wall. What we did was we created a custom bookshelf. This was all the idea of my designers from Youthful Nest, which allowed us to space off our room from the living room, and it also allowed me to utilize all this shelving for all of my baby clothes and accessories. I had a girl, can you tell? Over here, the designers at Youthful Nest helped to conceptualize a really small space for something that's so important, which is our changing table. She helped me pick all this beautiful art and even told me exactly how to hang everything, the tools to use, how to space everything, measurements, dimensions, links, you name it. She made the process so easy for me so that when I was pregnant, all I had to do was say yes or no. Over here, you can see that my designers at Youthful Nest showed me that a mini crib is the way to go in a small space. I couldn't be happier. They also urged me to choose black. I really had never seen a black crib before, and I was hesitant at first. Look how great the black crib looks in my galaxy themed space with everything that was chosen by Youthful Nest. I thank you guys so much. You made this process so easy for me. Thank you. I couldn't recommend your services enough. Till the next baby. The time has come. We are shooting the nursery. Of course, as you guys know, this is this world's smallest nursery. It's basically a closet transformed into a nursery. So in order to shoot it beautifully, we're just tweaking some things, moving things around a little bit in order to capture each space. But we are so happy with the end result. Everything just feels so homey and warm and cute. And even though it's small, it is mighty. It's so mighty, and I'm so proud of it. And I think it's gonna be such an incredible place to have my little baby grow and become the little human that she is gonna become. Take a look, this is the whole space. I love you. What would be a nursery photo shoot without my first baby in the crib, testing it out? Good boy, Homer.